DLF
Wait lang. Nakatok pa ako doon.
Inantok ka ba? Sakto yung McCafe, may tatlong bagong drinks. Sakto rin tatlo tayo.
Magkano ba yun?
Only 49 pesos na.
Tara, nandun ang Macdo. Tara.
Tara, let's go get some coffee, guys.
My beat, my coffee.
Guys, dahil pupunta tayo ng McDo ngayon, we're gonna do red and yellow counter. So, red and yellow counter 1.
49 lang guys, so order na ako. Okay guys, I got my iced original coffee. You already know the drill. Shake it and sip it.
Nakaingit naman, parang gusto ko rin ng kape. Bili nga ako.
Wait lang. No? Baka may challenge. Magkakad na tayo sa ibang McDonald's brand.
Wala.
Oo, total chinito overs naman tayo. Sorry.
Sige naman, tara. Punta tayo na, lakad tayo pang McDo.
My routine, my coffee.
Red and yellow counter po.
Sarap ito. Red yellow counter 5.
My routine, my coffee.
So I got my iced black coffee right now. That's where you know this will shake it.
Coffee.
Ikaw na lang yung wala.
Pag-uwi na lang, on the way na lang pauwi. Tapos subukan ko na lang yung yung premium roast coffee. Ngayon guys, tapos na kami kumain. So ready na? Lakad na tayo sa Tagaytay.
Ano? Next time na. Ako Tagaytay.
Sige, next time na, uwi na tayo.
1 million followers Tagaytay.
My beat, my coffee.
Walk trip, walk. We're back here in Lasal na guys.
Next time na lang Tagaytay. Tatamad ako.
Sige, uwi na tayo guys.
Routine, my coffee.
My style, my coffee.
Yellow red counter guys.
Orange yan.
Okay guys, we're here in McDo drive-thru right now. Let's order my coffee. Pwede po isang premium roast coffee. Thank you po. Okay guys, this is the last drink na di pa natin natatry. Not bad guys, not. Parang ready na ako maglasal to Tagaytay. Let's go. Okay guys, you already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where, like, nung McDo branch guys. Bye guys, peace.